Forget everything you thought you knew about classic off-roaders, because this beast will rewrite the rules. Meet Project Wilder, a jaw-dropping custom Land Rover built by ECD Automotive Design. And it's not just about rugged looks. Packing over 700 horsepower, a manual gearbox, and dripping with modern luxury, this Restomod is setting a new bar, one that even the all-new Defender OCTA might struggle to reach. While Land Rover's new Defender OCTA makes headlines with its twin-turbocharged V8 and 626 horsepower, ECD took it a step further. Their latest creation, Project Wilder, is not a factory SUV, it's a statement. It combines nostalgic heritage with modern engineering, and the result is a vehicle that looks like it could conquer the Outback by day and roll up to a luxury hotel valet by night. Under the hood lies a GM-sourced supercharged V8 pushing out more than 700 horsepower, an outrageous number for any off-road platform. But it doesn't stop there. Instead of a fancy automatic, this monster channels its power through a T56 six-speed manual transmission, giving driving purists the full analog experience. And yes, the Borla Sport exhaust guarantees this SUV doesn't just move fast, it sounds like thunder rolling over the mountains. To handle that insane output, ECD started with a complete chassis overhaul. The frame is coated in Raptor liner, ensuring it can take whatever terrain throws its way. Air ride suspension and Brembo performance brakes give the driver total control, while 20-inch wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich tires deliver grip and durability. Finished in a classic East-Nor green with Nara bronze accents, the vehicle oozes vintage Land Rover appeal, until you hear it growl. And that's just the outside. Inside, Project Wilder is a luxury suite on wheels. The cabin is dressed in buffalo distressed Cuoyo leather with honeycomb stitching, contrasted by Sapele walnut wood trim. Add in Recaro sport seats, an Alcantara headliner, and a wood-rimmed steering wheel, and you've got an interior worthy of a six-figure exotic. But don't think this is just a showpiece. ECD has equipped the SUV with all the modern tech you'd expect from a premium build. That includes a fully updated infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, focal audio speakers, dual subwoofers, and even a panoramic roof for added atmosphere. There's also blind spot monitoring, reverse cameras, and power everything, ensuring this beast is as practical and livable as any high-end luxury SUV. In a world where most classic off-roaders are seen as weekend toys or collector's items, Project Wilder defies the mold. It brings the soul of a rugged Land Rover into the 21st century with zero compromises on performance or comfort. It's a build meant to be driven hard, admired deeply, and remembered forever. So while the Defender OCTA might impress with its factory specs, Project Wilder shows that sometimes the wildest ideas come from outside the factory walls. ECD's creation isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling dream for off-road enthusiasts, vintage SUV lovers, and performance junkies alike.